Welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free daily petrochemicals news show. If you enjoy watching the video, at the end of today's daily news report, may I please request you to subscribe and to click on the bell icon. Also do remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It encourages us to continue to bring you free informative news on a daily basis. It is Monday, June 5, 2023. I am Jake Wong. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices rose on Friday on the back of a decline in the value of the US dollar. Brent crude prices rose by $1.85, settling at $76.13 per barrel. While WTI futures increased by $1.04, settling at $71.14 per barrel. Last Friday, open-spec naphtha prices were assessed constant at the $563 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Last week, subdued demand trends from the downstream PP market coupled with ample regional product avails triggered a fall in propylene prices in Asia. On Friday, FOB Japan propylene prices were assessed at the $765 to $775 per metric ton levels, a fall of $35 per metric ton from the previous week. FOB Korea propylene prices were assessed at the $765 to $775 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week decrease of $20 per metric ton. CFR Taiwan propylene prices were assessed at the $785 to $795 per metric ton levels, while CFR China propylene prices were assessed at the $775 to $785 per metric ton levels, both lower by $30 per metric ton from the previous week. CFR Southeast Asia propylene prices were assessed at the $770 to $780 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week sharp fall of $45 per metric ton. Last week, ethylene prices remained steady in Asia. Last week, there was a drop in ethylene and propylene prices in Europe. Last week, a decline was witnessed in ethylene and propylene prices in the United States. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On June 5, 2023. LLDPE prices are up by RMB 9 per metric ton at RMB 7808 per metric ton. PP prices are higher by RMB 5 per metric ton at RMB 7001 per metric ton. PVC prices are down by RMB 25 per metric ton at RMB 5820 per metric ton. MEG prices are up by RMB 1 per metric ton at RMB 4072 per metric ton. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by PlexConnect. PlexConnect 2023 is a unique business networking platform which will connect global buyers with Indian suppliers. The show especially focuses on inviting selected international buyers of plastics who will be invited to meet Indian exhibitors for their sourcing requirement. The first ever export-focused event for plastic. Established since 1955, the Plastics Export Promotion Council, PlexCouncil, is sponsored by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department of Commerce, Government of India. PlexCouncil continues to remain engaged in promoting India as a major sourcing hub for the plastics industry, opening new bilateral trade opportunities for the Indian and global plastics industries. In plant news, Shandong Yangmei Hengtong has restarted its methanol to olefins, MTO, plant recently following a maintenance turnaround which commenced around early May 2023. Located at Shandong, China, the MTO plant has ethylene production capacity of 120,000 metric ton per year and a propylene production capacity of 180,000 metric ton per year. That's all for today's polymer news. Do remember to watch our daily news video tomorrow for further industry updates.